Hey fellow airgunners, welcome back to On Target Airgunner. Today I'm going to show you how I made 5 of these steel targets for 20 bucks.
Alright, so on Amazon, I just type in welding coupon. And you can see all these results pop up. Different sizes, different quantities. I'm just going to scroll down to the ones that I picked. The Heat Lychee, I believe is how you say it, 5-piece. These ones right here. So 5 pieces, 2" by 4" for 10 bucks. That's the ones I ordered. You can also check on eBay for weld tabs. And you can see these ones already have the holes pre-drilled. And they have various sizes as well. It's just this route usually a little more expensive, but if you don't have a way to drill out the holes or you want smaller tabs, this is another good option.
Alright, so these are the pieces that we're going to be using to make our targets. So these are those Heat Lychee welding coupons. Comes with a set of 5. You can see it's thick enough for a pellet, 2" by 4". Then I got these shepherd hooks from Dollar Tree, 30 inches tall, $1.25 each. And then this 2-pack of carabiner clips, $1.25 each. So the measurements is not real important. It doesn't have to be spot on. But since it's 2 inches wide, we're going to do the hole along the 1-inch line. I'm just going to make a mark at 1 inch. Line those 2 up. And then the hole, I want to do it 3/8 inches down. So that's 1, 2, 3/8 right there. And where those 2 intersect, that's where I'm going to do my hole.
Alright, so right here I'm using a 3/8 inch drill bit. I'm using it on my drill press, but you can do this just with a hand drill. Using some WD-40 to keep it lubricated. I sped up the footage a little bit. It took about a minute. Didn't want to push the drill too hard.
Alright, we got the hole drilled out. Now we'll just clean it up, put some paint on it, and it should be ready to go. Alright, I'm just going to use this red spray paint. I think it stands out good against the background. Some guys like to use white, but I'm going to use the red. Alright, we'll let it dry and give it a test shot. Venturi Avenger 177. 50 yards. Got it, dead center. Let's try for one more. Good job. I like it. .25 caliber Benjamin Marauder. That didn't go as planned. So the Marauder knocked it clean off. That was a hard hit. Back to the drawing board. I think what I'm gonna try and do is just get some pliers and close this up right here. Stay tuned. We'll try that out right now. All right. So what I did is I just closed this up right here with some pliers. And you can still take this in and out since it's carabiner clip. You can see it won't come all the way out. Shouldn't, at least. Let's try it again with the 25 Marauder. That thing hits with some power, man. I need to use that some more. Okay, 25 Marauder, take 2. This should work this time. Still hit it hard, but it didn't come off. Let's try it again. I think we solved it. One more, just because I like how hard that hits. Yeah. Let's check out the damage. All right, so we're gonna check out the damage the Marauder did. I'm smacking them good. You can see the shepherd hook is still pretty straight. There is a slight bend in the steel target, but you can shoot that hundreds of times, it's never gonna go through. Might have a little bit of a bend to it, but you can still hit it. All right, guys, well, there you have it. We can make 5 of these for 20 bucks. And then just depending on the tax, wherever you live, I mean, probably under 25 bucks. Hope you guys like my video. If you like it, subscribe. Check out my other content. On Target Air Gunner. Let's shoot some more.